It is not a day out to be running and biking and swimming. But hopefully the wind blows all the weather out and it clears up a little bit.
Good morning and welcome to race day. Today we are running a mini triathlon.
Yeah.
Wow, you look so fast.
It's good because I feel so fast.
We're actually really lucky that our tri-suits still fit because I had a baby since I bought mine last year, and Calvin
Also had a baby since we bought them last year.
How do I get this? Oh my god, this string is supposed to make it easier. Once you figure it out, it's pretty good.
I feel like I'm wearing a superhero costume under my regular day clothes.
Do you agree? This feels really nice. It's like comfortable, lightweight. I feel very powerful and capable. It's gonna make us swim very well. And then because it's cold and raining outside, it's gonna be really cold for the remainder of the events. The mini tri, called a tri, love a good pun, is a 200-meter swim, a 10-kilometer bike ride, and a 2.5-kilometer run.
Hey, buddy. Hey, Luna.
Hey, buddy.
Ready for race day?
Sorry to wake you up. Yeah.
Oh, that's a big smile. All right, let's do it. I mean, we're only going for a few hours, but I feel like the car's kind of light for what we're all doing.
Hopefully that doesn't mean that we're missing something important. We've just arrived and I cannot believe we're about to climb in the water. It is kind of cold and really windy. And we're off.
Who's ready to go so fast?
I love the suit.
Thank
Where'd
you.
you get that?
Amazon.
Awesome.
Oh.
Yeah, we got
Less beating than I did last time. But I went at the beginning instead of the end. You go ahead.
Okay, bye. Good luck. See you at the end. Look how good Dad did. Yeah. There's Mama. Bye, Mama.
Well, the swim went pretty great. Time to start the bicycle portion. Let's do it.
Stay right, follow the phone. There'll be volunteers to tell you when you can know.
Beauty Jersey, bud. Smell you later.
Some people have really fast bikes. I'm in the highest gear and my legs are still like not catching because that's how flat it is here. Blessing, but also I feel like I could go faster.
So far we're making great time, averaging about 30 kilometers an hour. It's a beautiful track along the canal here. The swim was good. The bike's the best part for me. And then we finish off with a nice little run to cap the whole thing. Let's get back to it. Well, the way back is a little bit uphill, so it's a little slower, but we're still making great time. Was averaging 30 clicks on the way out, averaging between 21 and 23 on the way back, but we're having fun. I just passed Ksenia and my sister Alicia and our friends Chantal and Marcus. Let's go!
I believe we may soon catch our friends Ed and Nigel, who are actually doing this thing on a tricycle. Here they come. Woo! Go Ed! Go Nigel! Go Mo! I believe we have reached the hill. But that means that we're almost done. And then there's the run. I also have a wedgie, like the biggest wedgie I've ever had in my life.
Oh, thank you.
Well done.
All right, time for the run. 2.5K. We got this.
This is your last thing. Get it on film.
This is Chantal's first triathlon, and she is absolutely crushing it. Here comes Riley. Woo! All right, another little jog.
There's a sign I can get behind. I wish there were pit stops on the race, because I can really go for a peep. This run part is by far the hardest. It's now that you have the mental part of it. Let's go, Riley!
Let's go.
That was Riley. She's crushing it. So far ahead of everyone. Thank you.
Go, Calvin.
I'm past halfway. On the last stretch. I'm sure that everything is shaky as heck, but that's just what happens in the race. Look at this. It's been to rain the whole time. Not a drop. Hey, let's go!
Good, Calvin.
I spot Calvin coming up.
Mother of my child.
Mother of my child. I think I see the turnaround point. That feels good. Here comes Alicia, running into the finish line.
Got like 150 meters.
Yes, get it. Woo, okay, now we're really on the home stretch. All right, like 1 kilometer left. We are officially at the point in the race where the inside of my chest is hurting, and I'm not even upset about it because I thought this feeling would come way sooner, and I have like maybe 700 meters left.
Yeah. Thank you.
Almost there.
Finish line is in sight. Yeah.
Here come some familiar faces. All right, now we're really close. Like 100 meters left. All right, last bit.
Let's see what's the sprint.
The vibes are here.
Luna, there's your mom. Yay! Way to go, Ksenia! How was that?
It was challenging at the end,
Yeah.
but doable.
We did it. We completed the race. Zero training.
No prepping for the actual race itself, and we were able to do a race, had a great time. We had a lot of people doing the race with us this year. We had my sister Alicia, our cousin Riley, our friends Chantal and Marcus, and
Mel and Nigel and
Mel and their kid Ed.
Yeah.
Really just a whole gang. It was a ton of fun.
It was super fun. Everything was great. The bike ride wasn't very hilly. The run wasn't very hilly.
One benefit of this not being our first triathlon is that we had a better time not getting clobbered by all the other swimmers at the beginning of the race.
Yeah, we haven't checked our times officially, but I did see when I ran under the finish line that it said the time was like 10:45 or 10:46, and the race started at 9:30. So I'm thinking that means including transitions, and I wasn't like transitions. I walked in the bike transition area. I just like stood around and talked to people. So I wasn't going hard, and I think I came in at where I was hoping to be. So I think I beat my time from last time.
Same here, yeah. I think I forgot to look right when I came in, but I think it was just about an hour for me, and that was my goal, was to come in on an hour or under.
Oops.
Yeah, it felt really good. I'm super happy we did that.
Me too. And quick shout out to Bree and James, our heroes for the event, who stayed with Luna. And also a shout out to Luna, my little cutie, who stayed awake for 4 hours and did a hunger strike.
Yeah.
To reward ourselves for our hard work and our excellent achievement, we are now at the final stop of race day. Oh, I can see the cold coming off of it.
Score a brownie. Strawberry Oreo.
Ooh, cheers.